Good morning students. In this video I will explain you how to convert the past tense sentences into negative and interrogative form. Beginning with simple past tense. What are simple past tense sentences? In simple past tense sentences there is a subject plus second form of verb plus the object. Means he played Ludo. The second form of play is played. And when we convert these type of sentences into negative form, we add did not with subject. Subject plus did not. Subject के बाद हम did not लगा देते हैं plus the second form of verb converts into the first form. Played converts into play. It will become he did not play Ludo. The first form of played is play. The verb changes, we add did not to convert the sentence into negative form. And to convert the same sentence into interrogative form, as we know, we carry the helping verb in the beginning and the sentence begins with did. He played, we have to add did not, and to convert that into interrogative, did comes at the beginning or the sentence begins with did he, first form of verb again, did he play Ludo, question mark. Again I am explaining positive sentence, there is subject plus second form of verb plus object. To convert the same into negative there is subject plus did not and the first form of verb, and when we change it into interrogative, did comes at the beginning, then subject plus first form of verb. Okay students. Now see the second example. The teacher checked the copies. Teacher is subject and checked is the second form of check. So when we will convert, the teacher did not check the copies, we added did not and the first form of verb. And when we change the same sentence into interrogative, it will begin with did the teacher check the copies. This is carried in the beginning and the sentence begins with did the teacher check the copies. Okay students. One more example I am explaining. The plumber repaired the pipe. The plumber is subject, repaired is the second form of repair, the pipe. Then when you convert it, the plumber did not repair. Did not लगा के आपने first form of repair, you have written repair. Then the plumber did not repair the pipe, and when you convert the same into interrogative, the sentence begin with did the plumber repair the pipe? Now the next sentence is my mother cut the fruits. The three forms of cut is cut only, it doesn't change. Cut की तीनों form cut होती है students. So when you will convert the sentence into negative, it will become my mother did not cut the fruits. Cut as it is आया because all the three forms are the same. And when you convert the same sentence into interrogative, it will become did my mother cut the fruits. Now the second form of past is past continuous form. Past continuous form, you see there is a subject, was or were. Subject plus was or were plus the ing form of verb and an object. Was is written with singular subject and were is used with plural subject. For example, she was dancing on the table. She is singular, was use किया ing form on the table. When you convert this sentence into negative, was is the helping verb and you add not after this. इसको negative में convert करने के लिए was या were के बाद आप not लगाते हैं, that is all. She was not dancing on the table. And when you convert the same sentence into interrogative, was comes at the beginning. Okay, it will become was she dancing on the table or was she not dancing on the table. दोनों ही सेंटेंसेस में वर्ड्स को उठा के स्टार्टिंग में लगा देंगे तो एट द एंड यू ऐड क्वेश्चन मार्क, इट विल बिकम इंटरोगेटिव. सेकेंड सेंटेंस इज दे वर वॉन्डरिंग. नाउ दिस इज प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. They is plural subject, so we have used were. They were wandering. And when you convert into negative, word is helping verb, not is added after that. हर जगह पर helping verb के बाद जब आप not लगा रहे हैं, was were not, it becomes negative sentence. and उसी was were को beginning में रख रहे हैं. You start the sentence with the helping verb, it becomes an interrogative sentence. Remember it. In both the sentence you have to remember the helping verbs, right? Add not after the helping verb to make it negative and start the sentence with the helping verb to make it interrogative. Now see another example. The cook was cooking food. The cook is subject, was is helping verb and ing form of verb. The cook was cooking. Negative बनाएंगे तो इसके बाद you will add not. The cook was not cooking food. And interrogative, you will start with this. Was the cook cooking food or was the cook not cooking food? Question mark. So, remember this rule. Further, I am going to explain the exercise. This is exercise C of your English language book. You have to rewrite these sentences using the verbs in bracket as directed. The father and I visit. What is the simple past form of visit? It is second form, visited. Second form of visit is visited. Now Danny is singular and you have to convert drive into past continuous. Past continuous, it means ing form with followed by was or were. Now Danny is singular, it will be was driving. Okay. Then the teacher speak. Simple past of speak means second form of speak. It will be spoke. The gardener prune. Past perfect. Past perfect means you have to add had with it. Had plus third form. Had pruned. The birds fly. It is past continuous. Now here remember, the birds is plural subject, so we have added were. The birds were flying. The fisherman. Fisherman, you have to convert this into past perfect, then add had and third form. Catch ka third form, it is caught, had caught. The students. Organize ka simple past means second form of organize is organized. And the players, again the past perfect of exhaust is had exhausted. So students, hope all of you understood it. Complete the exercise today in your copy. Good day all.